morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
May I request Aegis to lead a prayer?
Okay, let us pray. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done in earth as it is in heaven. Guide us this day for the demonstration in the name of Jesus. Amen.
Amen. So is there any absent from the class?
None, ma'am.
Okay, since you are all present, let's give yourselves, let's go clap. Okay, let's go. What was our last topic all about?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Joanne.
Our last topic is about the structure of the earth and the plate tectonics.
Do you have any questions, clarification regarding to our last topic?
None, ma'am.
Okay, if none, let us proceed our new lesson for this morning. But first, let us read our classroom rules. Who want to read?
Ma'am,
Okay, Joanne.
virtual classroom rule. Turn off your mic if you don't speak. Click the hand button if you want to share your ideas or you have something to ask. Be participative and be respectful.
Is this applicable, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So before we go further to our discussion, let us have first an activity. So this activity is titled Arrange Me. So direction, arrange the given letters and be guided to the given definition. So you may use the chat box for your answers. Okay, the question number 1, provide protection for the cell. Okay, kindly you. Okay, very good, Aegis. It is a cell membrane. The second one, it contains an organelles. Okay, very good, Joanne. It is cytoplasm. How about the question number 3? Controls the activities of the cell. Okay, Joanne again. So, it is nucleus. So, do you have any idea what was our topic for today? Okay, Nico.
So based on the activity, ma'am, there are the parts of the cell. So I think our topic for today is all about cell, ma'am.
Okay. So, our topic for today is all about the 3 main parts of the cell. So, but before we go further to our discussion, let us read first our learning objectives. So, who wants to read our learning objectives? Okay, Nico.
So objectives. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to make a distinction between prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell. B. Identify the 3 main parts of cell and letter C. Recognize organelles based on their structure.
Is this attainable, class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first, let us define what is cell. So, cell is the basic unit of life. So, it states that cell is the basic unit of life. So, without cell, what happened to us or what happened to the living organisms? Anyone? Okay, Aegis?
In my opinion, without cell, maybe there's no life for me.
Okay, very good. So, without cells, we cannot live, even the plants, animals, and all living organisms. Since cells is very important because it shows that all living organisms have a similar structures. Okay, next. So, according to the cell theory, next. Sa cell theory. So, the cell theory. All organisms are made up of cells. The cells are the basic units of life. So, without cells, we cannot live. So, there are two types of cells, the prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cells. Who can read? Okay, Juan?
So the two types of cells, the prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cells. So all cells, whether they are prokaryotic or eukaryotic, they have some common features.
Okay, so the prokaryotic cells have no membrane-covered nucleus, also have no membrane-covered organelles, and have a cellular DNA, while the eukaryotic cells have nucleus, have membrane-covered organelles, and have DNA. Okay, next. So do you have any questions about the two types of cell?
None, ma'am.
Okay, since none, let us proceed to the three main parts of cell. We have three main parts of the cell: the cell membrane, cytoplasm, and the nucleus. So what is cell membrane? Okay, Nico?
So cell membrane, ma'am, it is a membrane that separates the interior of all cells from the outside environment, which protects also the cell from its environment, ma'am.
Okay, very good. How about cytoplasm? Okay, Joanne?
Okay, cytoplasm, ma'am, is a thick solution that fills each cell and is enclosed by the cell membrane, ma'am.
Okay, you got the point. How about the nucleus? Okay, Nico?
So nucleus, ma'am, it is a membrane-bound organelle that contains the cell's chromosome, and it is also serves as a brain of the cell, ma'am, because it is the center of the cell.
Okay, very good. Next. So, cell membrane, it is the outer layer of the cell. It allows nutrients into the cell and waste outside of the cell. It also provides protection for a cell. Also, provide a fixed environment sulod sa cell. And then, it also transport nutrients into the cell. Next. Okay, the nucleus. So the nucleus is the control center of the cell. It contains the cell's DNA. It also carries the genes to make structures that contains the heredity and formation. Okay, next. So cytoplasm. Who can read? Okay, Aegis.
Cytoplasm, a jelly-like fluid contained in the cell that holds the organelles.
Okay, so ang cytoplasms mao na siya ang gahold sa mga organelles. So unsa man na siyang organelles? Next. Okay, organelles are structures that enable the cell to live, grow, and reproduce. Next. So cytoplasms contains organelles such as mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, and ribosomes. So what is mitochondria? Next. Okay, mitochondria is the power center of the cell, provides the energy in the cell. It also generates most of chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reactions. It is also called as the electric company of the cell. Next, who can read? Okay, Nico.
So ribosomes, site where proteins are made and cells parts are made of proteins.
Okay, so ribosomes are the function of the ribosomes is to read the sequence of the messenger and using the genetic code to translate the sequence RNA bases into the sequence of amino acids. Next, endoplasmic reticulum. Who can read? Okay, Joanne.
Endoplasmic reticulum. So it is the transportation system of cell. The rough ribosomes attached and the smooth no ribosomes.
Okay.
And it also the roadways of the cell.
Okay, thank you. So endoplasmic reticulum is to produce protein for the rest of the cell para mo-function siya. Dayon, natay duha ka types of endoplasmic reticulum. The rough ER and the smooth ER. The rough ER kay dito naka-attach ang ribosomes while the smooth ER wala siya ribosomes. Okay, next. The Golgi complex. Who want to read? Okay, Golgi complex, package house of the cell. So kining Golgi complex gitawag ni siya og package house of the cell. Packages, processes, and ships out the stuff of the cells makes. So it also the cell organelle that helps process and package protein and lipid molecules. The Golgi complex also are the one who creating the lysosomes. So what is lysosomes? Next. Okay, lysosomes. Lysosomes is a digest food particle and cell parts. Protects the cell by digesting foreign invaders. So lysosomes break down excess or worn out cell parts. These cells is used to destroy invading viruses and bacteria. Okay, do you have any questions about the organelles functions?
None, ma'am.
Okay.
None, ma'am.
How about the three types of the three main parts of the cell?
None, ma'am.
Okay, since none, let's proceed to the question. So, I've prepared a 4 question. All you have to do is to write your answer in the chat box. So, first question is why cell is important? You have 5 seconds to answer. So first question, why cells is important? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. According to Meg, cell is important because it is the main reason why we exist. According to Juan, cell is important because without cells, we cannot form new structure. Okay, let's proceed to the question number 2. What is the difference and similarities of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, according to Joanne Sumpatan, eukaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell have a membrane-bound nucleus and prokaryotic cells do not. Okay, let us proceed to the question number 3. So, what are the three main types of cell? Okay, very good, Aegis. Cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. So, let's proceed to the question number 4. What are the significant rules of organelles in a cell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Joanne, kindly answer the question number 4.
Yes, ma'am. So, the significant rules of the organelles in the cells is that we all know that organelles are a small structure within the cytoplasms. So, it is that carry out functions necessary to maintain the homeostasis in the cell. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. So, how about Aegis?
Okay, the significant rule of the organelles in a cell that to function, to produce, something like that, ma'am.
Okay, all your answers are correct. So next. So do you have any questions, clarification regarding to our topic, class?
None, ma'am.
Okay, since none, let's proceed to our activity. So this activity titled Name Me. So all you have to do is to identify the organelles based on their structure. So inyon na siya nga ngalanan, tapos you may send it to my messenger. I will give you 3 minutes to answer that activity. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
I'm done, ma'am.
okay. Let us proceed to our assessment. So, you may answer the 10 given questions, multiple choice. You have 3 minutes to answer. Send it to my messenger again. Are you done, class?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any questions, clarification, class?
None.
Okay.
None, ma'am.
So, that's all in this morning class, and we have also our assignment. So all you have to do is to make a Venn diagram about the differences and similarities of prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So I wait that until 5 p.m. So that's all in this morning class. Thank you for your participation.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Goodbye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.